To navigate the 3D scene view in Houdini, we have to have the view tool active. Alternatively, you can hold space or alt and that will also have it active temporarily. Right clicking is to zoom in and out, left clicking is to rotate the scene view, and middle click to pan the view. Also we have F that allows us to frame active object, as you can see, and Control left click to tilt the view, and we have H to reset the view and frame all the object in the scene. Navigating the network editor follows the same structure, where middle clicking pan the view and right clicking zoom in and out, and F frame the selected node and H frame the node network. This is the hotkey summary. This has been the Elegant Academy. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.